If you ever need to duplicate some sort of drawing object in a Microsoft Office application, I'd be willing to bet that you probably already know how to copy and paste something. And you may even already know the keyboard shortcuts for doing that. I could select an object and press Ctrl and C to copy it, click somewhere else and press Ctrl and V to paste. That's pretty quick, but there is actually a quicker way to do it as well. If I select this chart object and simply press Ctrl and D on the keyboard, that duplicates the object. If I carry on pressing Ctrl and D, because each duplicate I create gets selected automatically, I can create loads and loads of copies really quickly. It even works if you've got more than one object selected. If I hold down the Control key here and select this inserted image and then this auto shape, I can carry on pressing Ctrl and D to create duplicates of whatever objects I've got selected. Even better than that, it works in all the Office applications. So if I head over to PowerPoint here and select this chart, image and shape, pressing Ctrl and D here duplicates the objects in PowerPoint and of course in Microsoft Word as well. So hopefully that speeds up your copy and paste operations. Thanks for watching. See you next time.